Barka, Al-Fulaj racecourse in the Wilayat of Barka, South Al-Batina Governorate, today saw the conclusion of the 2025 camel racing competitions. The closing ceremony was held under the auspices of Sheikh Said Saud Al Ghufaili, chairman of Oman Camel Racing Association. 9 races were held in the final event, which was organized by the Royal Court Affairs, represented by the Royal Camel Corps. Out of the final 9 races, 4 races were dedicated to both male and female camels, the segment of Al-Thanaya, 4 for female camels only Al-Hal, and 1 for male camels only Al-Zamal. The 9 races were, each, 8-kilometer runs that saw competition among 6-year-olds. The results of the races were announced as follows. In competitions of the Thanaya segment 8 kilometers, first place in the first round was won by Munawa, a camel owned by the Royal Camel Corps and coached by Hamad bin Muhammad al-Wahabi. First place in the second round went to Dawn, a camel owned by Sabaya bin Muhammad al-Wahabi. First place in the third round, first place was won by Ashamka, a camel owned by Saif bin Mubarak al-Habsi. First place in the fourth round went to Ma'i, a camel owned by Muhammad bin Hamad al-Mashiki. In competitions of the Hall segment 8 kilometers, first place in the first round was won by Tazri, owned by the Royal Camel Corps and coached by Hamad bin Muhammad al-Wahabi. First place in the second round was won by Al-Wathba, a camel owned by Hamad bin Hamoud al-Busaidi. First place in the third round went to Al-Nashmiya, a camel owned by Al-Bashair Camels Association and coached by Abdullah bin Tuaresh al-Wahabi. First place in the fourth round was won by a camel called Nashba, owned by Sultan bin Abdullah al-Khatri. In the competitions of Al-Zamal segment 8 kilometers, first place was won by Mahdi, a camel owned by Jabir bin Said al-Mubaishi.